First, natural latex is gently collected from living rubber trees.
The raw sap is thick, milky, and incredibly elastic. At the factory, it's cleaned and blended with stabilizing agents. Heat transforms the liquid into a more workable rubber compound. The rubber is forced through precision tubes under immense pressure. The long, hollow tubes are hung and left to cure overnight. Workers check each tube for strength and consistency before cutting. The tubes are carefully fed into a rotating blade system. A precision blade cuts them into thousands of identical bands. They fall in a continuous stream, each one perfectly formed. Next, they travel through a tumbler to remove loose debris. The tumbling process polishes them and tests their durability. Workers inspect and sort them into different size categories. They're weighed, packed, and prepared for shipping around the world. From tree sap to precision tool, ready to hold things together.